wonderful.
Hello you guys, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be trying a product and it's a brow product and I got it from Wova or Wova, you can say anything, whatever is comfortable with you all. So I got this sketch eyebrow pen. Let me check. Yeah, it says fine sketch tattoo sense of super durable, and it says fine sketch liquid eyebrow pen, and this is how it looks like. And as you all know, I have never used anything on my eyebrow, or I have never used any eyebrow product. So I wanted one eyebrow product and I wanted like it to be in like a sketch or like in a pen form. So I got this one, and let me just tell you guys that it says it gives 24 hours waterproof tattoo, sense of super durable, long wear, easy to color and smudge proof. And like there are instructions behind this, so I have to read these instructions because I have never used any product for my eyebrow and I think I don't know how to use this also. So let me read. So it says method 1, the normal eyebrows person. Gently apply the pen to draw the contour of eyebrows and continue to color inside evenly along brow shape you draw. Last step for create the vivid and nature eyebrows. I think it's natural. I don't know. They might have made some mistakes. Okay. So the method 2 is sparse eyebrows person. So firstly sweep away to shape eyebrows contour, then gently to define the brows from sparse area. Finally use the pen, fill in color by a 45-degree angle evenly to create the perfect 3D eyebrows. Okay. So I didn't understand both of these methods, but let me show you how this pen looks like. Okay. So this is how the eyebrow pen looks like, and you all can see that it is fully sealed and it has like a sealed pack. I haven't even opened it, so I wanted to do like a first impression kind of a video for this thing, and my first time applying the eyebrow product. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and it's in the shade dark gray. So it's in the shade dark gray. Let's see if this suits my eyebrows because I have never tried any eyebrow product, so I don't know which color might suit my eyebrows. Let's open. Okay, so it's the tip of the pen looks like this. I don't know if you all can see it, but this is how it looks. Okay, so I'll just I know that I have done my makeup, but I haven't done my eyebrows and I never do my eyebrows. So let's try this product. Okay, let me just zoom the camera. Okay, let me just come near the camera more so that you all can see my eyebrows. Okay, so I think that you people are able to see my eyebrows. Okay, let's try. I don't know how to feel the eyebrows, but let's try. Oh my god. I don't think that I need to fill here, so I'll just jump onto the last. So I think I can see some difference. Yeah, I totally can see some difference. So let's quickly do the other eyebrow also. I'm just not using too much on the starting point of my eyebrows, because I have like thick eyebrows from here till here, and then a thin line of eyebrows from here. I am not looking into the camera because I am like looking in the mirror. I'm definitely not able to do this side of my eyebrows. I don't know if I did like a good job. I don't know why the camera is going out of focus, but I think that's it for my eyebrows. And this is like kind of a watery structure. Let me show you guys how this looks. Okay, so this is how the pigmentation is. As you can see, it's very pigmented, and I was afraid to like draw the lines because I didn't want it to look like a clown or something. But I think I did like a pretty good or pretty decent job, because I have never filled my eyebrows, never done my eyebrows in a parlor or by anyone. So I think this product is like very useful, and I will try to use this eyebrow product from now. Or if I am trying another eyebrow product, I will definitely share it with you all, because I am not like a eyebrow product girl. I never did my eyebrows, and that is why I wanted to like share my first review and first time application of the eyebrow product with you all. And I did, and I think I quite like it, and I will try to do my eyebrows more often from now. And yeah, that's all for my video today guys, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press on the bell icon so that you will all get notified every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow the Siva Style Store. I will give all the details in the description box below, so please do check it out, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.